asshole! Get out of the fucking car!
What the fuck are you doing? Not even a fucking look, you stupid cunt! What? You just pulled across in front of me. Fucking dickhead. Cunt. Wanker. What I don't understand about people like that is that there was no room for him to try and overtake that cyclist. He had to cut me up to do it, and he still just scraped past the cyclist. And so I beep him because he cuts me up, and he's that much of a dickhead. He needs to sit there and give me the finger, sit there, shout out the window at me and all of that, because he can't take responsibility for his own mistake. Like, just cunt, really. Like, you do something wrong, accept it. Just don't sit there and give everyone else abuse. Yes, and I know I shout a lot on my channel, but if I'm the one that does something wrong, I don't sit there and... oh. Fucking road. What are you doing? Fucking idiot. You even got out of the road because you saw me coming, so then you decide to step in it again. Fucking moron. Well, don't keep fucking going. You see me coming, you stupid idiot. What are you doing? The bus is obviously moving out. That is why some cyclists get hurt. To be fair, you could make the argument that the bus should have been looking for her as well, but maybe she moved into his blind spot by that point because she kept rolling forwards, but I guess he saw her too, I don't know. But if the cyclist had just waited, because the speed she was going, she was always going to be going slower than the bus, so it made sense if she just waited behind it. Give way to the right! Fuck are you doing? Fucking wank stain. Fucking bus drivers think they can just pull away and cut across all of the fucking lanes. Thing is, I know in the comments there will be people going, you should let the bus out and blah blah blah. What gives him some magical fucking right to go across all of the traffic? So anytime a bus indicates, should all of the traffic stops so he can go and do his special princess shit? Fucking cunts. That's the bus lane, dickhead. Fucking idiot. This is a 50-mile-an-hour dual carriageway. How stupid is that? Ridiculous. The next exit is probably about a quarter of a mile away. It's ridiculously close, but that's too far clearly, and it's a much better idea to pull such a dangerous, life-endangering manoeuvre like that. Fucking cunt. I made most of the way through that without swearing, but yeah, fuck it. Predictable. Wow, twat. Whoa. Fucking dickheads. They fucking changed into this lane, and this is where the accident is. Idiots. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That looks fun.